Greetings, blockchain explorers! I'm Tonio, here to deliver another round of exciting updates from the Ton blockchain world. Let's explore the major strides our community has made this week. Kicking off with breaking news, Cadison has just achieved an incredible milestone by securing the top 1 spot in the Ton Open League for 4 consecutive seasons. This remarkable streak wouldn't be possible without the unwavering support of cat lovers across the globe. Storm Trade made waves at Istanbul Blockchain Week, which just wrapped up on August 14th. With a dedicated booth and several speaking engagements, they unveiled new features and engaged with the blockchain community in a big way. In the crypto market, this past week has seen Toncoin outpacing Bitcoin in its recovery. While Bitcoin managed a modest 0.32% gain, Toncoin surged by 3.77%, reaching $6.72. Over the last 7 days, Ton has seen a 9.42% increase, showcasing its strong performance despite broader market challenges. TonUp recently launched a new staking program featuring Boom, the token from the much-anticipated game, Boom Up. The program kicked off just days ago on August 12th and runs until August 19th, giving participants a chance to earn a share of over 2 million Boom tokens. For DeFi enthusiasts, this past week saw EVA expanding its capabilities by integrating full swap functionality. Now users can execute advanced DeFi strategies directly within the Telegram mini app, enjoying superior conditions compared to traditional pools. Plus, there are extra rewards available through the EVA XP reward pool, which started distributing CES tokens and EVA XP daily. In trading news, OKX just listed dogs for spot trading and pre-market futures. Deposits opened on August 14th and trading is set to begin on August 20th. This listing has already generated significant buzz, so mark your calendars if you're looking to trade dogs. Just in time for Telegram's birthday, Durev Staking was launched this week, offering an impressive reward pool of 600,000 Durev tokens. With a TVL of $6 million and rewards distributed over the next 30 days, now is the perfect time to stake and celebrate Telegram's big day. Toncoin has been on a tear this past week, reaching its highest levels in nearly a month after being added to the Binance launch pool. With a 51% increase, Toncoin's market cap has surged past $17.67 billion, making it the 8th largest cryptocurrency. Also launched this week, Ton Stakers introduced the Web3 Staking, the utility token of the Ton DNS Club ecosystem. With a market cap of $40 million, Web3 is gaining traction quickly, and staking rewards will be distributed over the next 60 days. Finally, a huge congratulations to Ton Stakers, which was just voted the most popular DeFi app on Ton in the Connect 2024 awards. Over 190,000 participants cast their votes, and Ton Stakers emerged as the clear winner, cementing their status as the top liquid staking platform on Ton. That wraps up this week's news. Thanks for watching our Ton blockchain roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.